Snap Vision helps customers shop for items they've seen in a particular photo. Jenny, how exactly does the platform work in identifying these products?
The first place that we start is actually identifying the product within an image. So, is it a dress? Is it a pair of shoes? Those questions that seem very basic to humans is where we start on the computer side of things. So, we use a combination of machine learning and mathematical heuristics to effectively segment the image, get rid of all of the noise, and know what we actually want to look at. And then from that point, you know you're working off good data. So, we look in the image and we look at three kind of main attributes. We look at color and texture. So in this case, this is a plain green top. And then we look at shape attributes as well. So we look at what a neckline does. So this is scoop neck. We look at what the hem is. So is it peplum? Does it go in at the waist? What are the sleeves like? And that lets us kind of build up a view of what is actually in the image and then kind of marry it to its brothers and sisters within the product catalog and put it all together basically in a big clump. So when someone looks at an image and uploads it to the database, we're able to kind of create a cloud of similar products that it could be linked to.
And what about when a customer can't find the item they're after? How are you trying to keep them engaged and keep them online to shop even longer, even if they can't find what they're looking for?
We sit on a product detail page. It's kind of that hero page that you see for a product where it's got all the information. We're basically a box on there that goes, if this isn't right for you, or if you can't buy it because it's out of stock, here's everything similar that we think you'll like based on color, based on texture, based on shape. So it means that users will see the most relevant bit of that product catalog, even if a product was previously buried on like page 50 and they were never going to see it.
Augmented reality is a big trend in retail. How are you positioning or looking at integrating augmented reality into future experiences with the platform?
So the way that we're doing this at the moment is we're making sure that we're keeping our API open. So basically any partner can use it in any way they want. So it could be a swipe up to shop the look on Instagram. It could be build a shopping experience into a camera lens, or it could be recreating your favorite shopping mall on the computer so you don't have to leave the house to go and browse. So we're actively kind of seeking partners in the AR and VR space where they can basically take the tech and bake it into the next cool thing. But the way that we're seeing it move at the moment, especially in AR, is basically adding another layer of intelligence above and beyond on that camera lens. So you can augment the reality around you, but then you can learn even more from the reality around you.
And do you see search by pictures completely changing the way we shop for the entire future? This is the way we're going to be doing it?
Definitely. So that's actually why I started the business. So it just seemed that visual search is the natural way to go given this hardware revolution. I think that consumers have done an amazing job of embracing voice search. So this kind of sensory form of search is kind of really coming our way, and visual is obviously the next kind of obvious one that's going to come.